What is this?
Hello?
What is this?
What is it? Me?
What am I calling, dummy?
Ma'am, I just called you regarding the computer. You are talking with one of the Microsoft certified technicians.
You didn't fucking
We
call
are
me.
here for your help. Sorry?
You didn't fucking call me.
Yes, I just called you on your number.
No, you didn't. I just got this number.
Why?
Because you're a Manitoba scammer, that's why.
I'm a scammer?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You're a certified scammer, not a Microsoft scammer. You're not a Microsoft.
Sorry, what is that?
You're a certified scammer, not a
No,
Microsoft
I'm not.
technician.
I'm not here for you to scam you. I'm here for your help.
I don't need help.
You need help.
No, I don't. This is a raid call. I'm calling your number again and again. How buddy. In denial all the fucking time.
How can I help you?
Fix my computer.
You fix my
Matatoad.
First, you have to fix my computer, then I will fix your computer.
Yeah, because it's full of scams, isn't it? Your computer's
you
full.
Are a scammer. You call
You're a scammer.
me 15 times. You are a scammer.
You're full of shit. I don't
You
still.
are a scammer. You call me.
Hush.
Every day you are calling me. I don't have a computer anymore.
This is the first time I called this number today. And ever. I never called you before.
15 times.
You know there are other girls out there calling you.
15 times I think I have virus and I don't even have a computer.
Yes, I do.
And you are the one who's called me.
You're a Matatoad scammer.
Stop calling me.
No, Matatoad.
You are the scammer. You sent me the message.
You're a scammer. You steal from people.
Yes. You are the scammer.
You're going to burn in hell for stealing.
And right next to me you will be there as well.
What? No.
You scammers.
I'm a good person. I help stop thieves like you.
Are you from India?
No. Duh.
Yes, you are.
You're from India, Matatoad. You're from India, Matatoad. You're a motherfucking scammer.
Yeah, you are from the India.
No, I'm not from the India. I'm from the United States of America. Get it right, bitch. That was good. I love when they call me a scammer. Fucking bullshit. Teddy Mac and Shoot. What's the matter? Immaturity. You wanna come? You wanna come to my preschool class? I'd like to teach you some decency. Teddy Mac and Shoot. Call this number up. Call back. Hold on. I ain't listening to that shit. I'm gonna call back. I'm gonna try to get a minute.
Hello?
What?
Hello? Terry Mac.
Yes, Matitude. You're a Terry Macachute.
You are a Macachute, right? You're from
No,
Bangladesh,
you are.
Right?
Your mama's a
You're
runny.
from Bangladesh. Are from Bangladesh. Terry Macachute.
Hush, rascal. Go back to your sewer. You're a sewer rat.
Which camera you are telling?
You're a sewer rat. You all.
Terry Macachute.
I am here for Malcolm Merlin. Fix his PC now.
You fucking Indian dunce.
I'm not an Indian. You better get your shit together. What's wrong with you?
You are calling here. You're Terry Macachute. You fucking Indian. Camel fucker.
You talking about yourself? Teddy me Randy?
You Indian.
Teddy me Randy. Make a lot of. Tu scammer, hey, Matitude.
You Indian or camel fucker.
Rascal.
You sound like a Bangladesh.
No, you are. Yo, mama's a running.
Your mommy pushes now. You gotta take.
This is fun.
Your father takes now. Your mama pushes now.
Fix it.
I'm calling you Puerto Rican.
Fix Malcolm Marlin's PC, damn it.
You call here to scam you, right?
You fix